Hello everyone. So in this video we'll discuss stocks for tomorrow, Friday, 30th April 2021. The first stock is Ajant Pharma, which we have to buy above 1915. And this stock actually I discussed in past video as well. The reason was this breakout level. So we can keep this in radar. Then we have Cholafin. Cholafin you have to buy above 598 or safe side above 600. Today I didn't track it like what happened actually. Okay, so I in past yesterday's video I told to buy this above I think 590 or something. So around 940 it made a high around 597 and then decreases. So it was a decent 1% move, not a bad. So we can buy this stock again above 598. Then we have Indigo, not a very good setup, but still we can buy this above 1665. 1665. Then we have Happiest Mind. You can buy this above 715. And we have Tata Metally, which this broken this red candle. So we can buy above 928 above this candle high. Then we have Radico. Radico we can buy above 578. Keep stop loss around 574. And these are not very good setup actually. Tata Metally, Indigo, Radico. So be careful, manage your risk properly and take it. Then we have Wavco India. So this stock actually liquidity is less. So prefer buying in cash or buy very less quantity. The spread is not so good. So you can buy this above 6,900. Then we have Greaves Cotton, which you can buy above 140. Above this candle's high and this red candle. And for swing and cash we have Camlin Fine above 162. You can buy in intraday as well. And swing I will not suggest. You can buy this in intraday in cash. Then we have Hind Copper. Hind Copper you can buy above 165. You can buy this for swing as well. You can buy this for cash intraday as well. Then we have this Agrotech Food Limited, ATFL. Yesterday's level 900. Then we have RK Forge. This today didn't sustain. So we'll see if next time it breaks this candle's high on 614, 615 we'll buy it. And these stock I am just keep in my watch list. This has given good breakout. More fund is still running. I am in this trade. So Costco India. This I have not entered today. I missed it. I will see tomorrow. I'll get opportunity. And Esther has given good move today. Made high of 151. SHK above 146 we can buy. India I bought today, so I kept in my watch list. Shorey Rosni I just kept so that to check if it is actually will take pullback or support here. Kilfer, this stock actually was in my watch list. In 2-3 videos I have discussed, but finally it gave breakout today. I have 202. So I just bought it, so that's why I have added it in watch list. India and Kilfer. Thanks, guys. This is for today.